put this foot in that stirrup like that, and hold back your saddle like that, and just hoist and swing your other leg over. Yeah, there you go. And then, or you feel like you're reaching for the cup. Here, that's a lot steadier than yesterday, honey. You want them about right there. Can you lengthen and lower your heel? I think they're too long. Oh, down. Oh. Here, take the heel out of the foot. And lengthen like that. Valiant?
Just hold it straight. Take direction, break it all funny.
Take the reins in your hand.
Run away for it.
Easy. Slow trot. Slow trot. Slow trot. Slow trot. Easy. Good. Very good. Nice trot. You're sitting well. Very good. Excellent. Really good. Soften your elbows and hands. Don't pull them back. You can let your hands come forward even with a loose rein on him. Very nice. Easy, Val. Slow trot. Good boy. Good boy. Trot. Slow. Good boy. Slow trot. Easy, slow trot. Good boy. Easy, slow. Easy, slow trot. Okay, bring your hands forward. Give him a little slack in the rein. There you go. Good job. Really good job. Okay, lean to the outside a little. You're leaning to the inside a little far. Center on the saddle. There you go. Better. Sit up more straight. Slow trot. Good boy. Push yourself out of saddle stand. Trot. Well, you look like you're more sitting the trot, which is fine. You can sit the trot. Yeah, just creep them shorter. You want it to be even on both reins, however much you have through. A little bit more. We can work. There we go. So you feel, remember you want to have a straight line from your elbow to his mouth. And you want to kind of keep your hands a little bit low, but not, you want to kind of be brushing the saddle, but not literally, but close. Okay. Walk on. You've got a good straight back. You want to try to bring your lower leg back a little. Yeah, a little bit more. Whoa, 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 belly. Oh, oh, loosen, let go, relax. Just relax your leg. Valley walk. Valley walk. Yeah. Just try to bring your leg back without gripping with it. Valley walk. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Trot. Trot. That was canter. Okay, well, first scratch that. We're worried about your leg position right now. He thinks you're asking him to canter. He's very sensitive. Valley, just walk. If ever you feel like it's slipping a little second, drop the reins and grab that pommel of the saddle. I
I figured. Kind of feel more comfortable on them when you do it.
Okay, try to point your toes up, heels down.